Karibu tena kwenye televisheni ya Maskini Mkatoliki TV. Hapa tuko katika eneo la bunge la Bonchari, and this sub county is called the Kisii South sub county. They're having their finals for the ongoing sub county championship in junior schools. Here I have the head coach Nyamokenye, which is facing the defending champions, all the last champions Botoro. Let's hear from him. He introduce himself, give us the name as we go ahead.
Habari, my name is Elkana Siko. I'm the coach Nyamokenye, JSS. Nyamokenye is broad because we have an academy of under 17, under 15, and under 13 boys and girls. So these are part of the team that normally practices with us. So there's a lot they've done in practice, which we hope they'll display today. And I just want to wish all the teams all the best. Let's have the best from Bonchari representing us at the county levels. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. You had even have an academy. So parents watching this, kindly look for him, take your child there, for the talent will be nurtured in the proper way as they have an academy training them in football. Maybe quickly, who is your key player? Who is your player make up to this level, because you proceeded from the zonals up to this being the finalists of the sub county?
I would say all the departments are well equipped, but just to say our midfield is very, very equipped. So I wouldn't mention a name because as a coach, you need to nurture all your players at the best level as you can. So I believe all my players are good, but I majorly focus on having a very good midfield and controlling the game. So I just want to wish all the boys all the best. As you can see, the game is already on. So maybe we can do this after the game.
Yeah, I know as the manager, the head coach, you might have a lot of pressure and tension as the game is on.
Yeah.
We wish you the best as you play this final. Let's meet after the game for the post-match interview.
Thank you so much.